Hey, hey. It's Dwight Cliff Jr. here with Cliff's Construction, and as you can see, we finally got garage doors installed. Let's give you a quick tour, a couple updates since our last video. So the garage finally has the paint. We got the back doors installed, the new 4-foot roll-up doors installed, the new 16-foot overhead doors installed. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around. So, just kind of as I mentioned earlier, we got new Sherwin-Williams Super Paint is what we use as our standard. They got some other lower grades of paint, but what we've kind of seen is we get the best product using the Super Paint. You know, it's not the cheapest quality paint. It's usually, you know, it's one of the top tier paints for exterior paints, and it's something that we've had really good results with, and one of those products that we'd like to use to make sure that you know, not only is the building strong, but also aesthetically pleasing, and also this finish is going to last a long time too. So yeah, let's walk around here. Oh, electrical's been trenched in. I'll kind of show you that as well while we're back here. So we ran a new circuit from the interior of the house to the exterior here. It's been trenched now. We're waiting on our inspection right now for that. And so that's providing us our electrical for the garage. Yeah, but let's see this. Oh, also our outlet's been installed as well. We got some new GFI outlets installed in the garage as well. A new 4-foot roll-up doors installed. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So it's been painted to kind of match the garage. But yeah, it's a nice 4-foot roll-up door. The lock's on the inside, so you can't access from the exterior unless you get inside. You can unlock this 4-foot roll-up door from the inside. But this simply rolls up. Beautiful, beautiful. So you got a lawnmower you want to be able to access without going to the front. If you got things in a way, you can have that riding lawnmower from right on out the back of that garage. And so all the electrical's pretty much done. We got a backfill for that electrical trench over there. But yeah, electrical's ran. We got outlets. We got lighting. So next things we got coming up, we got gutters. We got our structural inspection coming up, which is pretty much done at this point. We need to backfill around the garage to kind of even out the grade. We're kind of figuring out what we're going to do there. We got some concrete sidewalk coming in and some other concrete work. So we're just about to finish on, but for the most part, grass is pretty much wrapped up. And also, if you're in the Indianapolis area and you're looking to have a new garage built, please do not hesitate at all to go to our website right now at www.cliffsconstruction.com. There's a button at the top that says get a quote. Click on that, get that form filled out, and somebody will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.